Hi, my name is Catherine Smith. I've been using the collagen for just over a month now, and I've had a sour stomach my whole life, and within 7 days I could feel a difference within my gut. Within 15 days, my sour gut was gone. So needless to say, I will be on this for the rest of my life. Hi, my name is Catherine Smith. I've been using the collagen for just over a month now, and I've had a sour stomach my whole life, and within 7 days I could feel a difference within my gut. Within 15 days, my sour gut was gone. So needless to say, I will be on this for the rest of my life.
All right, amazing. Miss Courtney Dawson, if you are available and can unmute, we would love for you to do that. Who here knows somebody that needs some gut improvement? Just go ahead and say hello. There she is. Welcome, Courtney. We can't wait to hear from you. And I know you can relate a little bit with that Catherine story.
I can. And when she says she's on it for life, I am with her 1,000%. My story, Michelle, started in my, probably late 20s is when it all started. My body was wreaking havoc on me and I was no longer in control. Like there was pirates on my ship, and it took me many doctor visits and many over-the-counter products that I didn't know what I was taking. It's been nothing short of a miracle for me. And Dr. Brett hit it on the head. When you are not thinking about your body, that's when you know that things are working efficiently. I couldn't leave the house on a daily basis. I couldn't make plans. I am a working mom who worked full time. I'm a wife. I'm an employee. I'm a sister. I play so many different roles, and my body was not allowing me to function at maximum capacity and really do any of those roles well, because I had to plan around, when is my next trip to the bathroom? When am I going to feel good enough? And so I was diagnosed with both IBS and interstitial cystitis, which is way fun, And so started on the Tri-Synergizer and probiotic, really effective for me. And in fact, there were many times I noted that I had not thought about my stomach, which was a blessing. But last June, I started on the collagen when it came out. And I am telling you, it was not only was I already healing my body, but things got strangely calmer. Things felt like I could do anything. I can spend a whole day on a boat now, and I don't have to contemplate, is this going to be okay for me? Is this going to, is my day going to be interrupted? It's the most wonderful feeling to not have to think about your body and just let it work on cruise control. It's working at where God intended it to. And so I think that that's what we need to be always remembering, is that when you're actually not thinking about things and letting your body rule your world, that's when it's working at optimum efficiency. And so I'm so thankful to the scientists who know enough about the body that created this product for me and now my family. And so my life is back. I have my life back. I can do anything I want. I can walk for 10 miles a day. I have the energy and the drive to do it all. And for so many years, I just couldn't do it. So the collagen was kind of like the icing on the cake for me.
I love it. I love it. So Dr. Brett, let us know what's going on here.
Well, a couple of things that I love that you said on that is that both from the video we saw and what Courtney just explained, is you heard him say, like, within 7 days, like my sour stomach started to change, and then like 15 days, I know I do this forever, right? So just think about the last time you had a sunburn. Like, how long did it take for it to cool that down? So just so you know, like we talk about the skin a lot with the collagen. Well, your intestinal tract has the same membrane as your skin. And so it takes that period of time to heal. And what I love about what Courtney said, guys, is understand that when you go to the doctor, they're trying to give you a name of a disease process going on to give you a diagnosis, to give you a treatment. But at the end of the day, like what you told me, Courtney, is like it was changing your life, your ability to go do the things you want to do. You had to plan your life around how your body might perform versus do your life. Right. So what these products do, specifically the collagen, the protandim, the Nrf2, the trisynergizers, is they're naturally activating the body's normal processes to repair, to produce energy, and to have the cells communicate appropriately. And then you apply the collagen, in which the collagen's main job is to create the structure to help the barrier membranes of our body, skin being the one you can see, to be able to work as it should, which means to let things in that need to go in and not let things in that should not go in. And so for her, that like the sour stomach you were hearing and the thing that she was saying about just having to like go to the bathroom, and then also they talked about the interstitial cystitis where the bladder is not working right. It's all the same tissue type, right? So what's great about this, it doesn't matter, you may not even know it yet. You might just feel kind of off, feel a little like, I just don't want to eat, I just don't feel hungry. Yeah, that's all indications that there's irritation of the pirates, right? The pirates go in array in your cells. And in medicine, we might call that autoimmunity, right? All that means is the body is not doing or not working or not communicating the way it's supposed to, right? So the great thing is like if you can turn on the body ability to repair, make more energy and cellular communicate, and then you give the body the actual nutrients it can absorb to repair those membranes, that's why Courtney feels like she does.